Alright, I know this is not the video that anyone asked for. This is just a project of mine. I'll explain my thought process on it later at the end of the video. But I just wanted to say, I plan on making 2020 a very epic year for NOOR DRAWS, very big year. Gonna do a lot of new series and stuff, new ideas. Drawing Your Comments 4 is coming out very, very soon, probably within the next week. So that's one to look forward to. It's a good one. I liked it. I liked making it. That was a fun one. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for the support last year. It was pretty good. We got a decent amount of growth, so now I can start these new experimental series and such. So it's a new direction for the channel. Anyways, peace out. Enjoy the music. I think it's good. I don't know. It's copyright free, so it's the easiest thing you can find. Just copyright free classical music. It's here. I'll stop talking. Boy, wasn't that music dandy. Okay, I'm gonna explain the piece here. Okay. So I wanted to make something fun and original, because all I do on the channel is draw like characters and stuff. So I wanted to do something of my own for once. So we've got a piece I call Deep Ocean Blues. You know, it's kind of like jazzy and stuff. So the whale, you know how blue whales are known for their like singing voice calls where they like sound like ooh or whatever. So yeah, that's why I put the whale in front of the microwave, not the microwave, the microphone. And then the octopus can play many octaves of the piano at once, using his tentacles. So that was the idea. He's also holding the microphone for the whale. You see a little crab up there who's able to hold those little drumsticks and play the hollowed out shell, the turtle shell. And then the pufferfish are able to blow into these horned instruments and everything. So yeah, that's basically what I was thinking. I don't know, I just wanted to mess around. I don't really get to make anything original that often on the channel, so if you notice there are little bubbles that hold the music notes. So yeah, that was my whole thought process. So don't rob me of my idea. It'll make me feel really bad, and I'm gonna delete my channel if you do. So anyways, see you guys in the next video.